Hey, Chief here. One of the things I want to share with you is a series of questions I get asked all the time. I always get asked, what's it take to be successful? And what's the secret sauce? What are the golden little nuggets you can share with me? I'll kind of boomerang that back to you and ask you this question. Of these three character traits or elements, what's most important? Knowledge. Is knowledge the most important trait you can have? Understanding how to invest in real estate and having that skill set. Or would it be money? Would money be the most important? Because let's face it, if we all had $1 million to start off with, starting in real estate would be pretty easy with $1 million jingling in your pocket. Or would it, the third thing, be confidence? Where you just understand what you're doing. So I always ask people that. What's the most important thing? How many people think it's knowledge? How many people think it's money? How many people think it's confidence? And I'll tell you, the most important thing you can acquire, the most important trait to be successful at anything in life is, I'll always say, it's knowledge. And the reason why is, when you're knowledgeable, you're confident. Whatever you do for a living, whatever your career is, at some point, maybe you went to school for it or you apprenticed for it, but at some point you became really, knowledgeable at your trade, at your craft. And with that knowledge and with that experience comes the confidence. And ultimately, knowledgeable and confident people attract money. Anyone that's truly in the business will read through a bullshit person. You'll be able to discern that this person's overly confident, but they know nothing. There's nothing backing that confidence. False confidence doesn't really work. And there's a lot of people, obviously, that have money. They've inherited grandma and grandpa's money, and we've all heard the saying, a fool and his money are soon parted. Nothing will part an idiot and their money faster than real estate. So the most important thing you can focus on is education. And what's wonderful about today is there's no shortage of information. There's YouTube videos. There's so many YouTube videos to learn how to invest in real estate. There's plenty of books on investing in real estate, and there's obviously a lot of seminars investing in real estate. So I would say gain your knowledge first, constantly study, and then go out and apply it. Because it's one thing to be book smart, it's completely different to be street smart. So take that book smart, go and apply it, build the confidence. Once you have that confidence, money, opportunities, deals, the right people, you'll start attracting the right people because you'll have all three going for you. So hopefully you find this helpful. I would encourage you to go out and learn as much as you can about real estate.